Men over 60, 3 spices that restore vitality and boost bedroom performance naturally. For many men over 60, the decline in vitality doesn't always announce itself loudly. Sometimes it arrives quietly in the form of afternoon fatigue, weaker focus, or a sense that something has gone missing in the bedroom. It's easy to brush it off, to think this is just part of getting older. And while aging does bring changes, losing your energy, passion, or sense of masculinity doesn't have to be one of them. What most men don't realize is that some of the most powerful natural remedies for restoring energy and performance aren't locked away in expensive pills or hidden behind a prescription. They're sitting right there in your kitchen, in your spice rack. Spices have been used for centuries, not just to flavor food, but to heal the body, stimulate the senses, and awaken the spirit. Ancient cultures knew what modern science is finally beginning to confirm. Certain spices directly impact circulation, hormonal balance, and blood flow, all essential for performance, strength, and vitality. And the best part? You don't have to overhaul your diet or take bitter tonics to get these benefits. With just a sprinkle here and there used consistently, these natural enhancers can help revive the version of yourself you thought had faded away. Let's start with one of the most well-known and powerful spices for male health, ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, not just for digestion or immunity, but for its ability to stimulate blood flow and boost testosterone production. For men over 60, this is critical. As testosterone naturally declines with age, the body becomes more prone to fatigue, belly fat, reduced libido, and even emotional flatness. Ginger steps in as a natural ally. It works by reducing oxidative stress in the testes, supporting healthy testosterone levels, and improving sperm health, all backed by emerging studies. But ginger's magic doesn't stop there. It's a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps widen blood vessels and enhance circulation. That translates to improved performance in the bedroom, longer endurance, and stronger energy throughout the day. It also helps reduce inflammation, a major cause of poor blood flow and hormonal disruption in older men. Whether you add fresh ginger to your tea, sprinkle ground ginger into oatmeal, or blend it into smoothies, you're not just adding spice. You're giving your body a tool to rebuild what time has tried to take away. Make it a daily habit, and you'll likely notice changes in both how you feel and how you perform. Next, we move to a spice you've probably used before, but maybe never truly appreciated: cinnamon. Yes, the same cinnamon you put in apple pie or sprinkle on toast is actually a powerhouse for restoring blood sugar balance and stimulating sexual function. What makes cinnamon so valuable for men over 60 is its ability to improve insulin sensitivity. Why does that matter? Because when insulin is out of balance, testosterone production suffers. And when testosterone suffers, everything else from energy to libido starts to fade. Cinnamon also plays a direct role in improving circulation. It warms the body, stimulates blood flow, and has been shown to lower blood pressure. For men dealing with erectile challenges, cinnamon acts as a gentle but effective support, helping the body do what it's designed to do, just more efficiently. And beyond its physical benefits, cinnamon has an uplifting aroma that activates the brain's pleasure centers, subtly influencing mood and emotional connection. Try adding a half teaspoon to your coffee in the morning, mixing it into Greek yogurt, or using it in savory dishes like stews or roasted vegetables. It's more than flavor, it's fuel for the man you want to keep being. And now, for the third spice, one that's deeply rooted in Eastern healing traditions and becoming a star in Western wellness: clove. This tiny, pungent spice holds a surprisingly powerful impact on male performance and hormone regulation. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, but more importantly, they contain compounds that support testosterone levels and improve sexual stamina. One animal study found that clove extract increased testosterone and sexual behavior in aging male rats. While more human research is still developing, the anecdotal and traditional use is strong and worth considering. Clove also supports blood circulation and nerve stimulation, which makes it particularly valuable for men experiencing diminished sensation or response during intimacy. It also helps fight inflammation, supports liver health, and even freshens breath, an underrated but meaningful benefit in relationships. The trick with clove is moderation. It's potent, so a little goes a long way. Add a pinch to your tea. Use ground clove in baking, or steep a few whole cloves in hot water for a soothing, performance-enhancing drink. Done consistently, clove becomes a quiet but powerful companion in your journey back to stronger, more confident living. What makes these three spices, ginger, cinnamon, and clove, so remarkable isn't just their individual power, it's how they work together to address the root of low energy and poor performance in older men. They reduce inflammation, increase circulation, support testosterone, and help the body restore balance naturally. No side effects, no artificial stimulation, just ancient wisdom meeting modern needs. And in a world full of synthetic shortcuts, that kind of grounded natural support is rare and valuable. It's also deeply empowering because when you take control of your health through small, intentional actions, you reclaim something more than just energy. You reclaim identity, purpose, the feeling of being truly alive in your own body again. That's what spices like these offer. Not a cure-all, but a path, a reminder that you're still capable of change, still capable of strength, still capable of intimacy that feels real, not forced. If you're unsure where to start, choose one spice and make it part of your routine for a week. Feel how your body responds. Notice the subtle shifts, maybe a bit more energy in the afternoon, a little more interest in connection at night. These small signs are your body's way of saying, thank you, I remember this. And if you stay consistent, those small signs turn into big results. Now I want to hear from you. Have you used any of these spices before, not just in cooking, but intentionally for your health? Or is there another natural remedy you've found that helps you feel stronger, more vibrant, more connected to your partner or to yourself? Share it in the comments. We're building more than a channel here. We're building a conversation, one where older men feel seen, heard, and supported. If this video gave you something useful, gave you hope, or even gave you a reason to head to your spice drawer with new eyes, hit that like button. It helps more men like you discover natural tools that actually work. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because in our next video, we'll explore evening rituals that naturally boost testosterone while calming the body for deeper restorative sleep. You don't need to give up your strength. You don't need to surrender your desire. With just a little heat from the right spices, you can wake up the fire that's always been inside you. And the best time to start is now.